So we finished up. It was about 10 o'clock by the time I picked up the tools and ladders. And we decided to stay the night. Be safer traveling in the morning. So we're up bright and early. And the roof looks great. I don't feel like getting any ladders out. I don't really have time, but trust me, it looks really good. And we have lots to do later, but we're definitely making progress. We did bring down some more granite, so next summer we can wrap up our steps here, and then we have the fence and everything down here, so we'll be able to put up a little L-shaped fence right here. And lots more to do, but definitely have made a lot of progress over the years. Need to work on this corner. Posts are staying really good. Oh, I should look at the concrete work I did last time. Can't really see it all, but the paint's holding, so that's a really good sign. Okay, gotta pack up and get going.